So hey, what's up mga meg? So for today's video, nagpa-makeup na mi for Little Miss Intramurals diri sa Tahaw Central School. So be right back guys kay wala pa may lipstick, magpa-makeup pa mi diwas. So mga meg, sumana mag-makeup and karon is mag-OOTD check na lang mi. So karon si Kelsey guys. First time na ko nakitaan nga baga kag-makeup sa Buster. Okay. Tumbuyon mo na siya ka-char. Sige siya mi. And this is candidate number 4.
You were fire and ice. I put it all on the line.
The Little Miss Intramurals candidates of Tajao Central
I saw
School.
what we could be. Gave you my hand to hold. Didn't think you'd let go.
If all of the kings have been queens on the throne, you're not dancing on your own. Oh, look, you can. I can feel my body shake. There's only so much I can take. I'll show you how a real queen behaves. It's just no need to save me. It's just a thing all you can take me. Got me without a soul. But if I had one, they'd be missing in your heart. All of the kings had their queens on the throne. We would pop champagne and raise us to all of the queens who are fighting alone. Baby, you're not dancing on your own. Lose breathing in to feel alive. All of the kings had their queens on the throne. We would pop champagne and raise us to all of the queens who are fighting alone. Baby, you're not dancing on your own.
Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Good afternoon, everyone. This is candidate number 4, Denise Gil Faet, 10 years old, representing Grade 5! Candidate number 9!
One day, when you realize that it's really over. One day, you wish that you had fought like a soldier. For me, but I'll be a million miles from where we were. Gonna know what you let go. One day, it's a little too late.
The difference between a successful person and other is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Good afternoon, everyone. This is candidate number 9, Lichi Manuel Father mga pobre, 10 years old, representing Grade 5!
Sportswear.
When our love hit a wall, always made it my fault. Never taking the blame, it was always the same. But when you see me somewhere and you can't get no air, yeah, I'll be the ghost that haunts you the most. One day, when you realize that it's really you wish that you had fought like a soldier before me, but I'll be a million miles from where we were. Gonna know what you let go. But one day is a little too late. Yeah. Oh, it's a little too late.
Ninong no! Atong ibangon kung ang inyong bet, ako'y bet sa judges. Second runner-up is Insa. Insa may second runner-up. Second runner-up is Miss Nitch Magapobre.
So here sa mga next. Madalong namin mauli because nag-awarding namin. So, akong award is Miss Photogenic and second runner-up. Yan ang among first kay si candidates number 11. So guys, manguli namin and padulong namin sa mga balay. Chin. 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 Tomorrow.